All right, so you need to be following along. This is the converting and metric check. We did it together in class just to make sure you understood it from yesterday's lesson and yesterday's homework. We went over it again. So we're going to go over this, and this is the actual assignment on Canvas. In this one here, you are converting 74.2 meters into decimeters. Remember, M is just meters, and dm is deci. If it was DAM, it would be deca. Remember the abbreviations we went over. And remember that these really coincide with place values, so we're just moving the decimal point. So if you go from meter to deci, that's from meter to deci, that's one step to the right. So I'm going to take this decimal point and move it one step to the right. So it would be 742. Then I'm going to take this next one and I'm going to take hecta to centa. Well, here's hecta and here's centa. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, that direction. So I'm going to take this decimal point and move it 4 times this direction. The problem is you only have 3 numbers, so you have to add a 0 at the end and move it past that last one. All right, so the next one is 1 billion milliliters equal how many kiloliters? So here's, you're going from milli to kilo. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. So I'm going to take this invisible decimal point, which is after the last 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it goes right there, so your answer would be 1,000. So again, grams goes to grams, liters goes to liters, meters goes to meters, but the number of times you move. And remember, meter, liter, gram is a step. That's actually the ones place, actually. So you're going kilo to, that's wrong. That was supposed to be kilo to milli. I'll change that. So if you're going kilo to milli is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, if you take this decimal point that's right past the 5, and you move it 6 times, you're going to have to add 6 zeros. So you can figure out what that is. And then the last one is, or the next to the last one, centa to hecta. Here's centa, here's hecta. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, meter, liter, gram is a step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So you're going to take this decimal point and move it 4 times to the left, but there isn't 4 zeros there. Once around the 5, which means you have to add 3 zeros. A lot of people want to add 4 zeros, but it should be moved 4 times, not adding 4 zeros. So it would be adding 3 zeros because you moved once around the 5. Now the next one is a word problem, and it's no different than the other stuff. And let me get this so I can write on it. Oops. Now I got it upside down. Okay, so if this confuses you, read it. It says, if you ran a marathon, the length would be 42.195 meters. How many kilometers is that? And I actually looked up that number, and that's accurate for a full marathon. If it helps you, write it out like the ones above. Write it out. It would be 42.195 meters is equal to how many kilometers? That's exactly what that problem's asking. And then you can do it just like the ones at the top. Meters to kilometers. Well, meters is here, kilometers is here. That's 1, 2, 3. So you're going to take this decimal point and you're going to move it 3 times, which you'd have to add a 0 in the front. So it would be 0.042195. So hopefully that'll help you do the homework tonight.